If you want to move forward, then perhaps this is the best time to watch this video. Because sometimes life suddenly stops us, makes us sit hidden in a corner, and then slowly asks, "What will you do now?" And this very question can either break a person or make them. Whatever you are facing today, pain, pressure, responsibilities, failures, what people say, all of this is true. But there is another truth, that you are stronger than all of this. You may have noticed, sometimes we run away from life. We think, maybe we will wait, that time will get better. But time never gets better. A person has to get better. Until you lift yourself up, the world doesn't change for you. Those who move forward don't have a magic plan. They just have a small fire inside them that they don't want to stop. Have you ever seen a small light in a dark room? As soon as that light shines, the darkness starts to recede. You are like that light. Maybe the world has pushed you down, questioned you, belittled your dreams. But as long as the light doesn't go out, darkness cannot win. You still have that spark inside you. It just needs to be awakened. There are many moments in life when it feels like everything is coming to an end, when doors seem to be closed from all sides, when there is no one to support you, when all plans fall apart. But there is a strange thing. People are strongest when they are alone, because then they have only one option: to lift themselves up. How long will you be afraid? How long will you wait for someone to come and motivate you, to push you? Sometimes the world doesn't change. Sometimes the circumstances don't change. Sometimes people don't change. You just have to change. And as soon as you change, everything starts to change for you. Your energy changes, your thinking changes, and gradually the world also starts to behave the way you deserve. If you are tired, then this tiredness is normal. Every dream requires effort. Every change requires pain. Every journey tests you. But this tiredness is proof that you are not sitting back and watching life. You are perhaps moving even after setbacks, and moving is winning. Stopping is losing. The day you stop, you will remain where you are. But the day you decide that enough, I will not stop now, that day your game will change. Have you ever looked at yourself with love? Have you ever asked your heart why you are doing all this? Why are you struggling? Why do you stay awake at night thinking? Why do you work hard all day? Why do you keep trying even after failing repeatedly? Because your heart knows that you deserve more. Your heart knows that you are not made for a small life. Your heart knows that there is a beast inside you, which can shake the whole world when the time comes. Never underestimate your dreams by listening to what people say. People doubt until results are visible. But remember one thing. Before showing results, you have to show belief in yourself, in your journey, in your hard work. No matter how long it takes, no matter how difficult the path is, if your heart is pure and your intention is strong, then the destination, even if late, will surely come. It may seem like everyone around you is moving forward. You may feel like you are falling behind. But you are not behind. You are preparing. Just like an arrow is pulled back, not going backward, but gathering power, so that it can shoot far in one go. You are also just being pulled back. Your shot is going to go far. The biggest truth of this world is that no one moves forward until they accept their darkness. And you are facing your darkness. You are understanding your pain. You are fighting with yourself. This fight sets you apart from those who only talk but don't act. You are doing it. You are learning. You are falling. You are rising. And you are giving yourself a new direction. One day, you will be proud of yourself. One day, people will say, "He changed his life." One day, you will give yourself a standing ovation because you are not one to stop. You will walk even when tired. You will rise even when troubled. You will try even in fear. If you want to move forward, then don't just listen to this video. Feel it. Because this video will make you hear the voice that perhaps the world's noise had drowned out. That voice which says, "You can do it." And once you hear that voice, no noise of the world can stop you. Just take one step. Whether it's small, slow, or hesitant, just one step. Because one step can change your whole life. And remember, you will not stop. You will not break. You will not lose. You will become who you were born to be.